Welcome, here I've got OnePlus 9 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's move to this settings bar and focus on this button, the second from the right. When we tap here, we can manage aspect ratio. We are in 4 and 3. Let's tap on the center to get access to the full one. As you can see, the background has changed to the full camera frame. Let's tap to this button now once again and move to the right corner, and here we have 1:1 aspect ratio, so this is the square one. And of course, when we tap here once again, we can easily go back to the left to 4 and 3, the original one. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.